Alright, so it's the 29th of June 2020, and here's the starter. Had some time. AutoZone will have one in the morning. There's a bad spot right there. See how that spot and the commutator's all gone. There's another one that's even worse than that. That one's gone. Look at it, it's totally gone. Not making contact at all. And the brushes are pretty much non-existent. So I'm going to clean this thing up. Clean the brushes up. All I got to get is a couple starts out of it. As long as I can start it in the morning, get it to work, get the new starter. Thank God for lifetime warranties, eh?